you're not limping at all. You're in good shape. And look at him over there with his tail abrupt. Oh, wow. All of them are her brothers. Look at that.
Such handsome bucks.
Golly. Oh, yeah.
Looking for something to eat in our yard.
Of course they are. See? And
Finding much.
they're friends the rest of the year. Look at them, so perky. Gosh, they're just so handsome. Look at their horns. These are second year. Every one of them are second year.
Oh, they're older than that, honey.
How do you? Well, each one of those little Y's
Yeah.
is a year, isn't it?
Each one of the points.
Points. Well, that's a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Oh. Okay.
We've got some considerably old deer here. Oh, what a handsome animal.
He wants some seeds and he's trying so hard. Can I reach? Oh,
Look at the seeds. Deer eating our bird feeder seeds. No wonder those seeds disappear so fast.
Yes, they just are so hungry.
That one over there munching away on
Yes.
what's left of the flowers. It's winter time.